Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to whiten your teeth on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below and click on Start with Image. Select your picture and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the face icon and tap on it. Click on the second function, whiten. Then you should select the intensity and the brush size too. After that, zoom in for more precise application and brush over the areas that you want to make more or whiter and whiten it. Here you can see how it looks like. You can change the intensity, meaning that you can make it more whiter. So zoom in so that you can apply it more precisely. After you are done with it, tap on the check mark icon at the top of the screen and you can save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.